Well, greetings again, my fellow watch aficionados on YouTube, Facebook, wherever else this might be seen. Going to try a unboxing with a different camera this time. I'm going to use my iPhone on a stand for the first time. I don't know how good this is going to look or how bad it's going to look, but we're going to give it a shot. Just today, being January 25th, I got in from Deutschland my two Waldhoff watches that I ordered some time ago off of Kickstarter, and they finally showed up after a 3-week odyssey from Germany to my home. No thanks to DHL and the ever incompetent United States Postal Service, whom I have much hate for. I can't seem to figure out how to get in this box, but we're going to keep trying. Anyway, these are Multimatics. You can look that up on Kickstarter.com and search for Waldhoff and take a look at what those watches are in terms of their specs and everything. Packaging. What do we got there? Okay. We got a bag. Tissue paper. And a box. And another box. And tissue paper. And that's empty. So we have two Waldhoff boxes. Put away in my pocket knife. Don't need that anymore. And we have an envelope with address on it, which, let's see what's in it. I know I should be doing that on camera, shouldn't I? It's just the invoice. Not important. And then we have these two shopping bags. And I don't know if there's anything in them. Nope. That's empty. And that's empty too. Oh, well, that was anticlimactic, wasn't it? Okay, well, let's see. That means that the goodies have to be in here. So let's put this one aside and open this one. Manufacturer Waldhoff. Forget it. I can't even do it. I speak German about as well as I speak every other language that's not English, which is to say I don't. So, outer sleeve's gone, and we have manufacturer Waldhoff. Metal plate. Nice box. Feels good. And we open it up, and we have a watch and an extra band. Let's take a look at the extra band here real quick. Nice alligator look, I guess you could say. Has the Waldhoff logo, and it says, I don't know what that says. I don't care. Nice cloth, wiping cloth, that's always nice to have. Lid to an empty compartment, okay. And what we have here is the Diamond Silver Multimatic. Man, that is just gorgeous. Get rid of that covering. Don't need that anymore, do we? And see, I already have a Multimatic in rose gold, which I bought off of eBay. I found out at the time of the purchase that it was what was called a prototype, a pre-production model. It was meant for press review, and then somehow it got to a private owner, and then he sold it on eBay, and I happened to pick it up. And I was told by Nicholas over at Waldhoff that the only difference between that watch and this production model is this right there. Not sure if you can see that. That little metal band, a little metal thing right there. It's part of the removal process for the band. And the production models, it's on the side. On the pre-production, it was right there where that seam is in the middle. And they said when it moved like that, it would scratch the case. So this band, I think, this extra one, will probably go onto that rose gold one so I don't scratch it. But you can see, nice case back with the workings visible. I like that. That's very nice. And you can see it's a very thick watch. And the crown, which is, I believe it's a signed crown. It is. And that little pusher up at the top, that is, I believe, how you change the month complication. Set it to January, since it is January 25th today. And as you can see from power indicator, she has no power. And yeah, that sets the day of the week. Going that way, and I'm sure the other way it sets the date right there. You can see that. I'll set these later. But as you can see, that is a gorgeous watch. I love the Roman numerals. Just going to be a great piece. I really like it. I wish it had a deploy clasp. That was, I don't know if it was offered or not, quite honestly. I would have to check with them. I have to get rid of that tag here. Let me grab my scissors and cut that off here real quick. There we go. Put that in the box because I want to do what other folks do, and that's try it on. Don't know if I can do that on camera. I've never done this before on camera per se. There we go. I have plenty of room for my wrist. I don't even know what my wrist size is. I don't never bother to measure, but it fits nicely. God, that was worth the wait. I got to tell you, I was worth every second of the wait on this watch. Very happy with that. Take that off. And get that. There we go. So, that is the Diamond Silver Waldhoff Multimatic. So, that would make this one over here. Put that over there. That would make this guy over here. Same box. I like that metal piece there. That's nice. Nice touch. And that would make this one the blue one. And I got an extra band as part of the reward. And this one is blue. I like that. That's nice. Make sure I keep that around, definitely. Same story, same cloth, same cover with... Oh, they both come with warranty cards. That's nice. Mm-hmm. That's up there, and I didn't notice that on the silver one. My bad. Okay. So this is the blue one with the blue band. Does seem a bit redundant, doesn't it? But don't hate. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. I don't know if the video is going to do that justice or not, but that is a hell of a nice blue. I hope the lighting is decent. I don't know. I like the detail. I'll just use my scissors as a pointer. I like the detail right there on the second hand at the back end of it, where it's got the logo. Does this have the covering on it? I don't think so. Must have fallen off. Well, I don't. Whatever. Very nice. Same watch basically. I like the design so much I bought it twice. Actually, 3 times if you count the rose gold. And that I love the thickness of this. I'm a big fan of big watches, big, thick, chunky. Of course, I own quite a bit of the small, thin ones too, but I'm more of the bigger is better on the watches kind of thing. Oh, I should mention I did do a unboxing video of that rose gold one. So if you're on my channel, you can just scroll through and find the other video, or I'll try and put a link in the description at some point. So there you go. Those are my 2 new Waldhoffs, just arrived today after a long wait, which thanks to DHL and USPS, that wait was even longer than it should have been. Not Waldhoff's fault. Once it's out of their hands, it's out of their hands. So don't blame them for any of it. So that's my unboxing of my 2 new watches. I'm going to do more of these. I've got plenty more watches coming in the near future. So thanks for watching. Give me a like, share it if you'd like, and if you want to, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be happy to have you. I look forward to seeing the next one. Have a good day, good evening.